Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that CORL finance token. Now before start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, CORL finance is the first DeFi AI application layer that streamlines on-chain trading, yield sourcing and portfolio management. It offers diverse features to onboard users by capturing hidden opportunities, accessing optimized yield across chains and protocol, getting early exposure to pre-listing assets, and growing value through diverse strategies. Coral enables both users and project partners to gain benefit from the open and dynamic ecosystem. Coral Finance token total supplies 1 billion and circulating supplies around 232.36 million CORL token. CORL token is listed on Binance Alpha, MEXC.io and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.